Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Summerside is the second largest city in Prince Edward Island with a population of about 16,000 people. Located on the island's south shore along Badeke Bay, it serves as an important commercial and service center for Western Prince Edward Island. Even though it is much smaller than Charlottetown, Summerside offers many of the services, businesses, and industries that support nearby towns and rural communities. The area was first settled by European immigrants during the late 1700s. The community grew because of its protected harbor, which made it a good place for fishing, shipbuilding, and trade. Summerside officially became a town in the 1800s and later became a city. Over time, it developed into one of the island's busiest ports and an important center for transportation and commerce. For much of its early history, wooden shipbuilding played a major role in the local economy. During the 1800s, many large sailing ships were built here and launched into the waters of the Northumberland Strait. These vessels carried cargo around the world and helped establish Summerside as an important maritime community. As steel ships replaced wooden ones, the local economy gradually shifted toward other industries. The city is also known for innovation. Summerside operates one of Canada's most recognized municipal wind energy projects. Wind turbines help generate electricity for the community, reducing reliance on outside power sources. The city has also invested in smart electrical systems that help manage energy use more efficiently, making it a leader in renewable energy projects among smaller Canadian cities. One of Summerside's best-known landmarks is the waterfront along the harbor. The boardwalk, marina, and parks attract both residents and visitors throughout the warmer months. Fishing boats, pleasure craft, and commercial vessels all use the harbor, continuing a connection to the sea that has shaped the city for generations. Waterfront events and festivals also bring thousands of people to the area each year. Another important part of Summerside's history is its connection to the military. For many years, the city was home to Canadian Forces Base Summerside, an Air Force base that played a significant role during the Cold War. The base brought jobs, military personnel, and their families to the community. After the base closed in the early 1990s, much of the property was redeveloped into Slemon Park, which now supports aerospace companies, businesses, and educational facilities. Housing in Summerside remains more affordable than in many larger Canadian cities. In recent years, the average price of a home has generally ranged between $350,000 and $420,000, although prices vary depending on location, size, and market conditions. The combination of relatively affordable housing, access to services, and a slower pace of life has made the city attractive to retirees, families, and people working remotely. Today, Summerside combines its maritime history with a modern economy and a growing focus on renewable energy, education, and business development. While its shipbuilding days are part of the past, the harbor continues to define the city's identity. With its mix of history, industry, and waterfront scenery, Summerside remains one of Prince Edward Island's most important and interesting places to live, work, and visit. Thanks for watching!